Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and open this fridge. Maybe. I've heard it's pretty difficult. Not super satisfying. Okay, that's pretty satisfying. All the way first layer. It literally just came off that easy. That's amazing. I spilled too soon. Oh. Did I get so stuck on my hand? There we go. I got very stuck. Okay, is there a way to open this? There is. Let's see if it's satisfying. No. No. There we go. So that is satisfying. Okay, these handles are just eating this paper. There we go. Okay, so we have our fridge. It's so cute. Okay, so what is inside of our fridge? Oh my gosh, it's all just gonna fall out. Okay. Here we go. I'm not very good at this. Trying to get everything in the video, so sorry. Okay, but this is our fridge. Has a cute little light, and then the freezer with all the drawers. So let's go ahead and open this. We also have our drawer in here, so we can just like make it lively. And I'm gonna put it on the bottom. Maybe not right now.